Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter X from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large V shape at the top of the page. Now on the left side, let's add another V. And the same on the right. Now let's connect them at the top with angled lines. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw an upside down V shape. And again, let's close off both bottom sides. And that's it for the basic shape of the X. Now let's move in and draw the face. In the center, let's draw two angled lines, leaving a gap at the top. Then from the center, let's draw an angled line up on both sides. Now from the top, let's angle it down and out. And then one more long angle to close it off. Now let's color each eyebrow in black. Next, from the ends, let's step in and let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. Then bring it in and then up at the end. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a bent line. And color these in black as well. Next, at the top of each eyebrow, let's draw two curves. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the mouth next. Underneath the eyes in the center, let's draw a large upside down V shape. Next, let's move above the eyes. In the center here, let's draw a flower with 6 petals. Now let's hop up, and in the top left, let's draw 2 angled lines. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's move down, and in the bottom left section, let's draw 3 curved lines in the bottom here. And 3 on the bottom right. Next, let's move to the top and draw the ends of the bandana. On the top here, let's draw an S-shaped curve up. Then to the left, let's draw another one, bringing it back around. Then an angle down, and then curve it back up. Now let's move over and draw the other one on the right. Let's draw an S-shaped curve down over here. Then below it, another curve, bringing it back up. Then angle it up and curve it back in. And that's it for the letter X. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!